Hello everyone. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can recover your email address without using your verification code password and phone number. The process of this recovery is very easy and simple. First off, you need to enter your email address into the box. After you've done that, you need to click on next and proceed with the operation. Here you got two options. Option 1, type in your password and continue. Option 2, in case you forgot your password, you click on the Forgot Password option. This next window will pop up only if you try to access your Gmail account from a device which has already been logged in into the account back in time. And again, you'll have two options down below. Option 1, you update your account's password, or option 2, you just continue into the account. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just click continue and proceed into the account. Now, on this window, if you press secure my account, Google automatically will grant you security into the account, so I advise you to press my security account button. Just in case you pressed continue, don't worry, you'll be either way transferred into your account. As you can see here, we are into a Gmail account without any problems. And again, keep in mind, this will only work if you try to enter from a device which was logged into the account back in the days.